Hello, my friends, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosangel, and I love all things cooking, entertaining, and creating these awesome videos for you guys. So, I have a coworker who brought me all these delicious tomato, and I have the best neighbor ever who always bring me some basil. And let me tell you guys, I am going to be preparing for the first time some pasta sauce. Okay, so we got our tomatoes here, and they're just beautiful. Got the basil, it's so fresh, and I get this pretty much weekly. I love this, my friends. And of course, I am going to be using an onion. You guys know I love a red onion. A bell pepper. I don't have a red one, so orange it is. I have some salt. I have some crushed red pepper flakes. I have some garlic, oregano, and some tomato paste, just in case I'm going to need that thick consistency for my sauce. And of course, I'm going to be using some oil. So come along with me, my friends, and let me show you how to prepare this delicious tomato pasta sauce. I washed my tomatoes, so what I'm going to do now is I am going to cut it in 4 equal parts, and I am going to simplify my life. This is going to go on a baking dish in the oven, okay? So my friends, I'm going to put the tomato, basil, the garlic, the onions, the bell pepper, and it's going to go in the oven at 375 for 40 minutes. My friends, I don't think I will ever buy tomato sauce again, okay? I think I am going to do this, of course, if you have the time. But the best part with this recipe is that you can actually do this in large amounts and you can save them for later. You can freeze this. It's going to be perfect. Now, this is very interesting too. Last year, we went to Paris and we tried so many delicious pasta. And I guess it was culture shock if you ask me. So you will see in the menus all these delicious pastas, but it was pretty much pasta and sauce. And I was like, where's the meat? Where's the chicken? Where's the steak? Where's the fish? No, my friends, but let me tell you, it is an acquired taste. And this is coming from someone who loves meat. Yes, I love meat, my friends. It's like, why would I have pasta without meat? But let me tell you, because it's made fresh and the flavors are so delicious, it just brings any pasta to the next level. Now look how beautiful this looks already. Now this is a very important part, okay? It's a very important process actually. You need to make sure that we grease this pan. I am actually using some olive oil. So be generous, my friends. The last thing we want is to have these veggies stick to the pan. Let's go ahead and season our veggies. I'm going to be adding the crushed red pepper flakes, some salt, and the oregano. as always, my friends, season to taste. Now look how beautiful, my friends, this actually looks. And this is pretty much ready. All I'm going to do now is add some olive oil, and we are pretty much done with this one step. This is ready to go in the oven at 375 for 40 minutes. Keep an eye on this. I don't know about your ovens, but we don't want to burn these veggies. This is what we want. Now look how beautiful this looks. And the best part now is that we are going to blend all these veggies in the blender, because that's what I'm going to be using, a blender, my friends. And what you need to be careful is when we start seasoning this sauce, we don't want to add too much salt or too much crushed red pepper flakes. You don't want it too spicy. I actually added a little bit of water to my tomato sauce, and let me tell you, that really depends on you. If you like it on the thick side, perfect. I just added just a little bit of water. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just add the salt, some oregano, of course, and a little bit more of the crushed red pepper flakes. Remember that I added some at the beginning, so it already has that spiciness, and I don't want to overdo this. I'm gonna go ahead and just mix this around, and I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes before I add to my pasta. My friends, this was so delicious. I sure hope you guys try this. And yes, I did enough to actually save some for later. Now look how beautiful, my friends, this look. I sure hope you guys have enjoyed this short video. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you guys don't miss on our videos. Until next time, my friends, bye bye.